Hello, psychology. Happy Tuesday. Happy start of a new week. I hope everyone is well and is studying hard for the AP exam the best you can in these circumstances. So here's a game plan for this week. I know I'm going to be throwing a lot at you. So of course, if you have any questions, concerns, memes, don't hesitate to reach out. Today is a great day because I got Chipotle delivered. So today you probably saw an announcement on Google Classroom that talks about FRQs and conferences. Dun, dun, dun. Not to fear. These conferences and practice FRQs are only here to help you. Because now the AP exam is only FRQs, we're going to be doing a lot of them. But that's not to say that knowing the content isn't important, because it is. So that's why I'm having you guys do memorize, and keep in mind that the units 2 and 3 memorize are due by 11:59 p.m. tonight. So if you asked about what the heck points on memorize means, great question. So under the AP Psychology group in Memorize, which at this point you should be a part of, but if you are not, please let me know so I can share the link with you to get you enrolled. So you should have been working on research methods and biological basis of behavior. So if you open up any one of these memorizes, on the side, you are going to see usernames along with points. And Rainija is killing it with over 11,000 points. Nice. So you can see on the leaderboard week, month, and you're not going to do all time because this is a public this is a public one. So I'm going to be checking that to make sure that you have at least 2,000 points on both memorizes. I also assigned you all another FRQ on biology and behavior. So this is a very straightforward FRQ. It actually comes from a review book. All you need to do for this is for each of these 7 parts of the brain, you are going to describe its basic function and then provide an example of how each would play into a day at school. So consider 2 sentences per term, 7 terms, 14 sentences. Now here's the tricky part that I have not done with you yet. I want you to limit yourself to 25 minutes. Set yourself a timer. You know, be honest, I'm not going to be like watching over you to make sure you're only keeping it 25 minutes, but it's doing yourself a favor to put yourself in more realistic test conditions. Also, I have asked you guys to sign up for FRQ conferences. These are mandatory. So in this sign-up sheet that I have put on Google Classroom, you are going to sign up for a 20-minute spot on Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, and those spots are between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. I understand that you may not be able to make those times. If that applies to you, please let me know and we will figure something out. But I want to make sure that I am really touching base with all of you before the AP exam to discuss ways that I can help you with your writing for psych. Also on Thursday, we are going to have an optional Kahoot review, just like we did a couple weeks ago for Unit 1 and 2. This will be for Unit 3, Biological Basis of Behavior. I'm going to send out a Google form to figure out the best time for everyone, and I hope to see many of you there. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out on Remind app, through email, or on Google Classroom. I can also set up individual Zoom meetings with you if that would be helpful in getting any of these assignments done. Be well, Psych.